The Zoological Republic of a country where they call Nigeria, they say they don't do am again. No, the judges don't come outside. They can't tell us say the children where they arrest during end bad government protests. He said those children don't marry or say they no be adult. In other way to justify the way they want to take money from government and the family of those children. They say one Igbo boy don't pick something wey be like aeroplane. No, come they ask the public. Wetin be this? Make they explain. Said he don't pick small aeroplane according to that write-up wey they see for front there. My people, abeg make una help me explain to Ramo. Tell am say that's the way he hold for hand. May let me know where they live, whether na near my community, so that I go know how I want take they do my waka for this last one. My people, let's go and watch the videos. We'll get many updates for inside this video. Stay tuned and watch it from beginning to end, so that you go know how it take they go. Don't forget say you still there for Pump Info News. Stay tuned and watch the videos.
Let me go and take the they came to here. The prosecutor should do their business. I can't hear any children. What's house? Sorry.
You serve Nigeria, your country. This is what you get in return. So my people, more of this will happen. I said it last time that a lot of this is going to be happening in Nigeria. You people, this is joke. Let's jump into Anambra State and go see what they happen for inside that place. So they say that all the whole people where they go, they open people shop. They carry their goods. My people, they say that the hand don't meet them for this last one. I'm going to play the video for you to watch before we come back and continue. We'll get a lot of story we will want to talk today.
Shop energy. This is the three of them. Had them mad 6. I was 6 seconds. Kedafaguma. Sunday. Kedafage. I age they go mad from mad. So it's going to make it all over Anambra State. Una bago shop on them mad well. Anambra State ni. Okay. So kedu nkuneje manoka manenugu manabaga na mebe ndozo di iche manogidi mana ebe ndi ozo unu neje gasi oli. Onye osu na-eje? No, sir. If I osu na-eje? No, sir. Kedu nke osu nu eje? Junction if te dun. Kedu onye wote the connection? Nyanwa. Meto onye nke aka. If anyị. Ogwa wote the connection? Yes, sir. Na-ekwusi okwu ike? Yes, sir. Ogi wote the connection ha ji bi oli? Yes, sir. Na nke energy? Yes, sir. Ka eke isi we mie. Kwusi okwu ike o. Kedebende gwa sana ngwa afia de. Okay. Ke moto habu bia. Kedi egu abudade. Ego ne ka hanya ego. Okay. Akwai da wena amaka shop na bambu ngwa ni ni mi. Okay. This no go with the connection. Yes, sir. Huh? Yes, sir. Iya na jugo we make force. No, sir. Bia nwokem onye be ke o. Iya na jugo we make force. No, sir. Huh? No, sir. Akwai da shoyi ne ku? Yes, sir. Nwokem gene ke na aru? Gene ka gwa na aru? Ke o di olu nu nezu? Okay. Kedu onye olu connection nke energy unu je? Ifeanyi. Akwai the show? Yes, sir. Ifeanyi. Sir. Akwai the show no ginya connection nke unu je? Yes, sir. Kedu ebe unje di oli? Junction if te dun. Unu je di oli. Na nke onye? Kedu e wote the connection? Can I water the connection? I go to Kenya.
40,000.
That down is zero. She can do. Okay. Because no, I know you Anambra. Now you on Dibu. No, can all on the special squad. Na Anambra State. Na dunu ko Fernanji Koka. Na Nyocha all over. Oyi. Idemili. When I make a shot, I know do mas and then a jabaka shop on the money because Sangwaya. Now I hope the guy and a milli. Cyan and milli of ma. Kai focus on him. And then a jabaka shop on the money lend and the mad diseases. Some people as well we gave it a bit. Some people we got at the lapo. Some people we get it from bank. Some people we get some property waiting a business. So much up we book all generally for see. You're gonna kiss the generator. That big generator. Okay. Okay. So because I know you know. Now so no can all on the special squad. We make sure. I find it out. Ebony and his ship back a shop. Malon de Melia. Also I wrote 2 months. Also I wrote 3 months. We must get them.
My wonderful people, things are happening as we said. If you know say it be one of those people wey say Ali Igbo no go good and they are putting your hand in things that is not good, remove your hand now. If not, hand go meet you. We go bring you come outside here, come tell the world what you they do to your own society. I bet more that they share the video and drop your own opinion as well. Okay, my people, let us jump into Biafra lando. They say that the Biafra armies don't capture some of Fulani cows and buy them along the line because they no one leave their land. Let us show you the video. May you watch before we come back and proceed.
Aha, they go. Then pause this thing. See it. Now we not be them. See it. All these Fulani Heřdsmán, where they disturb our land. You see, I've already got this one down. Where the other one? You get another one. See this one here? Them plenty? Yeah. Not all of them. We go video now. Maybe we go. Now we, they'll be done. I said they no go come out for our land. They go come out, sure. They go come out. Put at them. Okay, give me my wife.
My people, when I don't see them, they say that they as it be like this now, those cows now don't become suya. My people, let us bring you this video of Peter Obi giving the Nigeria police hope once again that the things is going to better and you must make them coming 2027.
Mothers are in hospital without knowing how to pay their bill. That's what concerns us. Not this one. And not bringing you people out from your office to come where there's party meeting. No. There's a better thing because you're doing a great work for the country. It shouldn't be. We will take it up. That's why I came out today. So I thank you people. And I will also, you are the member. Are you? Yes, sir. I'll see you. So please, sorry, I'm sure we'll make sure that we don't bring you out this year. We want to bring you out in something that is better, where we are talking about your welfare, the future of your children, the future of everybody. I always tell people it is important where we build schools, where your children, my children are in the same school. My mother's driver and me, the children of my mother's driver and me went to the same school. They were actually bright. And that's what we want to do. We want a better Nigeria, where people will be happy to live and live their life, especially the poor, feel their children can become anything.
My wonderful people, you don't read though, and I don't see him. They say one of a Biafran child or Igbo boy. They say the boy don't go pick a new aeroplane. No. As soon as they see for that picture, and I see that thing where he hold for there, he said that I haven't seen this kind of airplane before. My brother, if you know what you hold for hand, I beg, no first and for that, no. As it be like this now, may you give me your location so that man know whether me and you live close. May they find my way out of that environment, because when that thing go do boom, everywhere I go catch you. My people, I beg, in the ask this question, what you want use this thing do? Making use making knock and for down. I beg may you reply, you may not be like say live near you. You don't read for this last one. I beg may they share the video so that other people go get the information and know what thing they happen. But one thing you have to carry for mind be say Nigeria has no mekwatarism. You see this country, you cannot be mekwatarism. Anything where you like may you do, you cannot do it right, because the people mindset are very different from what you are seeing as a country. Now that is the truth, but they know they like truth for the country. Now be the worst part of it. May they call for the round table, may everybody decide in faith for where one day. Nah, they don't want, because Tinubu and family are busy now making money, they sweet them. But see that money, I'm seeing where on the vomit and they run. They run like things will happen for some African countries recently. I'm seeing that coming, and it will happen very, very soon. As I they look at is very close. My people, wanna share the video and make sure someone drop on our own opinion for inside comment section as you don't read for this last one.